Good morning, class 5. Welcome to the offline class. And in offline, we were doing composite maths. And in that composite maths, we were doing chapter number 10, decimals. Okay. And I think we have completed up to exercise 41 addition. So, I have told you that you will complete all the additions whatever given in exercise 41 of your own. Some of the additions we have done in the class, but maximum of that I have told you as homework because it is very easy addition. Okay. Now today we will start question number 4, find the difference. Now difference, it is also the same way as you were doing addition, the same way you will do the subtraction. That means the normal subtraction, only there will be the decimal point. Okay, so let us start the subtraction. Question number 4. Suppose I am doing number C. It is given 84.00 minus 36.23. So let us subtract this. You will take it carry, isn't it? So 7, it will be 10 minus 3, 7, again 10 minus 3, 7, carry 1. It is 14. This will be 7. This is 4 and 4, 47.77. This is the answer for number C. This you can do it in the book also. Okay. One more I am writing, number F. 256.314 and 78.765. 765. Now subtract it. As usual, this will be 14. So 14 minus 5, 9. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4, isn't it? 13, that means 5, and then point. This is 7, carry 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Again 7, carry 1, this will be 177.549. Okay, 177.549. This is the number F. The other subtractions you can do of your own because all are very easy subtractions. Okay, now let us come to question number 5. Subtract. Here it is given in the horizontal form. You have to frame it in the column wise and then you have to subtract. See, suppose I am doing number B. It is given 41.6 from 80. 41.6 from 80. Always you know that we are writing the number which is given after the from first. So it will be 80.0. We are doing in the like fraction. And 41.6. Since only 80 is given and after the point nothing is given. So I am adding 1 0. Okay. And here it is 41.6 given. So subtract it. This will be 4, 8 and 3. That is 38.4. Okay. This is 38.4. Now let us do number G. Number G, 48.5 from 113.416. This is also the same. The number which is given after from, that will be on the top, and below that the second number. Okay, so this is given 113.416 minus 48.5. So make it in the like decimal. So you will do one thing, 0 and 0. Now subtract 6, 1, then 9. Point. 8, 1, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. That is 4. And this is 6. That is 64.916. 64.916 after subtraction. Okay. Now come to the next page. Page number 136. Question number 6. Here also find the difference. The same thing. It is given in the horizontal form. Quickly find it in the vertical form, means write it in the column and then subtract. Write it in the column and subtract. Okay. Question number 6. B. It is given 500 minus 71.48. So 500, and as you know 500 is the whole number, after that 0 0, and here it is 71.48. so subtract it. 2 5 8 2 and 4, that is 428.52. okay, so this way you will subtract it. Now number D. Number D is given, I'm writing directly, okay, 1000.000, that means I'm making it in the like fraction and then I'm subtracting, minus 136.325. okay, so this is 5 7 6 3 8, that is 863.675. 863.675. okay, so this is the question number 6, that is find the difference. Now let us do question number 7, simplify. Question number 7, simplify. See here two terms, suppose first one, here two terms are given in the addition form and two terms are given in the subtraction form. So first of all you can do normal, that means you can add and then you can subtract the numbers, or you can do addition in one side and the two terms which are given in subtraction, that you can add it and after that you can subtract it. How? Just see. I'm not writing the question directly, I'm writing the solution. okay, see, it is given for number A 63.8 and 14.37. now add this two. These all sums, they are following the Bodmarsh rule, that means addition and after that subtraction. okay, so these all are following the Bodmarsh rule. So let us add 7 8 9 10 11, carry 1, 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8, and 6 plus 1 7. so 78.17. now we will do the subtraction. In subtraction it is given 28.609, and after that it is given 9.07. here you will add, not subtract, here you will add. okay, because minus minus is addition. So let us add this one. This is 976.17, carry 1 and 3, 37.69. now this two answers you will subtract, as the major one is given subtraction. okay, so let us subtract. 78.17 minus 37.679. since it is the like fraction, so you will add 0. To make it like fraction, add 0. So subtract 1, 9, carry 1. So 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 4. 7 plus 1, 8, 0 and 4. That is 40.491. Our answer is 40.491. okay, so this way you can add and after that you can subtract, or normally you can do first all the additions and with that the subtraction and that again subtraction. okay, normally you can do it like this way, but it is very easy if you are first adding and then you are subtracting. okay, it is very easy if you are adding and then subtracting. Clear? Now one more we will do. Let us do number C. Let us do number C. number C. This we are doing number C. Question number 7, number C. It is given 66.66 minus 6.666 minus 3.033. So first of all you add these two numbers and then you subtract with the whole one. That means 6.666 and 3.033. Let us add. This is 9, 9, 6 and 9. 9.699. Now this number you will subtract from the 66. So 66.66 minus 9.699. So make it zeros to make it the like fraction, sorry, like decimal. So subtract 10, carry 1, 16, carry 1, 9. 56.961 is the answer. Okay, so 56.961 is the answer. Or you can first subtract this 6.66 from 66.6. Whatever the answer you are getting, from that you can again subtract 3.033. Okay, so this is one way, and that is also one way to solve it. Okay, you can adopt that one also. First subtract this two, whatever the answer is coming, again subtract from this one. Clear? Subtract that from this one. Now let us do one more, number D. Number D, see, it is given 500 minus 37.8 plus 1.4 minus 137.63. Now see, here two terms are given in addition form and two terms are given in subtraction form. So let us add 500 plus 0 and 1.4. These two terms are given in addition form, isn't it? This 500 and this 1.4. So add it, it is 501.4. Now these two terms are given in subtraction, so you will add this two. It is given 137.63 and 37.8. Add this two, 3 and carry 1. 205.43. Now you subtract this number from this 501. That means 501.40 minus 205.43. Now subtract this number. 7, 9, carry 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. That means 5, 1, that means 9. Here it will be so this will be 2 and 3. So 325.97 will be the answer. Clear? 325.97 will be the answer. So students, today up to this only. Whatever we have done, you once more practice at home. Okay, because this addition and subtraction, if you are not practicing, it will be missed. Okay, so this is my kind request to everyone. Kindly practice the addition and subtraction of this decimals. Okay, so goodbye all of you for today.